Int Storm Chamber Night. The stone gate from episode 12 creaks open. A glowing mist pours out. Zayan, Alina, and Rayaan step forward, eyes wide. Alina, Ek or Dania, or A-Y-A-A-N. Only the chosen may breathe, where the forgotten sleep. A deep rumble. The floor shifts. A hidden staircase spirals downward into darkness into underground lake. Moments later, they reach a vast underground lake. In the distance, a glowing blue temple rests beneath the water. Zayan wadejo, Pani Niche pura mandir. A stone pedestal rises from the lake, revealing 3 ancient masks. Alina wear the mask, breathe the truth. They each take a mask. A magical aura surrounds them. Int submerged temple underwater. They dive and the temple glows with ancient carvings. Murals show a civilization worshipping the Eye of Eternity, a relic that controls time. R-I-A-I-A-I-N-Y symbol. Compass pabitha. Suddenly, the floor trembles. A giant stone serpent awakens, its eyes glowing red. Action sequence puzzle of stars. The trio dodges the serpent's strike. A puzzle of rotating discs appears on the wall. They must align them to match a constellation. Alina, Zayan. Distracted. Zayan on it. Zayan leaps across pillars, drawing the serpent's attention. Rayaan and Alina rotate the discs. R-A-Y-A-A-N bust O to A. You are dot. Click. The puzzle locks. The serpent freezes midair and crumbles into dust into inner chamber. Moments later, a hidden door opens. Inside lies a glowing golden orb, the key of tides. Zayan Yata Kissy, or Gate Karosta. Hi! The lake begins to drain, revealing a spiral staircase leading even deeper. Alina ready for the next storm. R-A-Y-A-A-N, let's dive deeper. To be continued.